Next, we're going to just do like a little white dog. I don't really know what kind of breed this one is. We're going to do his ears. I'm using a medium-sized oval. And cut it all the way through. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to curl him. Use a little oval for his nose. And I did the same for his eyes. A little starburst for his tongue. We're going to have a cupcake here that's frosted white. Just going to add a little bit of a snout to him. Oops. Add his nose. And I'm going to add a little white before I do chocolate. Buttercream. Just changing out the white tip to this small one or size 2. Tootsie Roll eyes. Stick in the tongue. And now with the ears, I'm just taking the oval ears. Just gonna kind of just fold them over. Now, these won't hold their shape a lot. They'll droop a little, which is fine. Just taking the top and kind of folding it in, kind of pinching it in. Mostly just the top one. Stick it on to the cupcake, and there we have our little white dog.